This is how to replace the cabin air filter in the 2023 Genesis GV80. The part number is 97133D2000. First, you're going to drop the glove compartment. On the right hand side, there is a plastic rivet type screw. You're going to take a pair of pliers. They can be plastic or metal. Be careful if it's metal. You don't want to snap the plastic piece. And you're going to remove that plastic rivet / screw away from the glove compartment. So pull away, use a little bit of force, and the plastic rivet or screw should come right off. The next thing you're going to do, there are two knobs that can be rotated 90 degrees. The plastic screw, you're going to rotate it 90 degrees and pull it out. If it's not pulling out, return it back to the original position and try to pull it out. Sometimes at the dealership, they don't return it back to the actual position that it's supposed to be in, but you should be able to pull it out. You may want to use a pair of pliers as well. If it's not coming out, it means it's in the wrong orientation. Then you can go to the other side and do the same thing. Turn it 90 degrees and just pull it out, and the entire glove compartment will drop. And this is where you get your cabin air filter. So on the left-hand side, you'll be able to squeeze two plastic pieces together and it should pull out immediately. And this is the cover tray for the actual air filter, the cabin air filter. So once you see that, you can pull out the cabin air filter and then get ready to place your new cabin air filter. Airflow direction should be going down towards the ground, so the arrow should be pointed down towards the ground. Putting the new air filter in, and the airflow is going down towards the ground. Once you get that in, you're going to put the plastic piece back in. So there's two plastic parts that you can squeeze in, and then you can push it in and it should just click. Once you're done with that, you can push up the glove compartment and grab those two plastic screws, push it in, and then rotate it 90 degrees. To lock it in place, go to the other side and do the same thing. Take that plastic screw. You might want to push up a little bit the glove compartment, push up the glove compartment a little bit, and then turn it, and then you're good to go. And then you're gonna have to put the plastic screw back in. So you may need to pull down that plastic tab to align the hole with the actual glove compartment. So you can just pull it down in order to line the holes together. And then once you're done with that, you can just push in that plastic rivet piece back in and it will click in, and then you're good to go. This is as easy as it is to replace the cabin air filter. I'll leave the links in the description below.